For years, people have been told metabolism is simple. Eat less, move more, try harder. But real metabolic health isn't just about calories or willpower. It's about communication inside the body. Your body relies on natural messenger hormones like GLP1, GLP2, and GIP to help regulate appetite, support digestion, improve nutrient absorption, and maintain healthy metabolic function. When those signals are working properly, your body works more efficiently. The problem? Supporting those signals naturally and effectively hasn't been easy. Until now. From the pristine Norwegian fjords comes a double-patented, all-natural bioactive peptide complex sourced from sushi-grade premium salmon. Backed by over 50 million in research and clinical studies, this breakthrough ingredient was developed to support the same metabolic pathways the body already uses. Using a patented extraction process, triGLP preserves the most powerful bioactive peptides in their most absorbable form. The result? A precise daily microdose with up to 90% absorption, delivering up to 10 times the potency per drop compared to traditional formats. No synthetic chemicals, no forced stimulation, no painful injections, just a naturally derived peptide complex designed to activate GLP1, GLP2, and GIP together, the way your body intended. 3 pathways, 1 microdose, a few simple daily drops. This is next-generation metabolic support. This is triGLP by Origin. Pure, potent, proven.